back to the backyard, guys. So I started this a little while ago, and I wanted to get one of these nice chunky ripper bits, and we're going to just shape our two bowsprit mounts. And we've also got to thin them down a little bit. They're really thick at the moment, and I need to, especially where I'm putting the mounting plates that are going to hold the base to the existing structure. So we're going to need to thin them down, get them to the same thickness as the old ones, which I'll just grab right now. Oh, here they are, our old beauties. A little bit roted. But I want to keep the similar sort of shape going on, so that's good. At the moment, what are we looking at here? About 53, 52, 53 mil. And these guys sit on 70. Yeah, about 65. So we've got 11 mil, 12 mil. We need to knock off the thickness to get the bases around the same for the mounting. I don't mind that it's chunkier above the deck. It's going to look alright, it's still going to work. But just below the deck, it's got to be able to mount on and clamp on with some nice plates. And then we've got a support piece that's going to go between the two as well, but we'll get to that. Alright, I've got the shapes marked, the heights marked. Let's do this guy first. See how we go. See how the ripper goes. Oh, plug it in first. That works great. That works really good. This is going to be so much quicker with that ripper bit. Let's bring it around there so you can have a look, eh? Hey buddy. Pretty happy with that shape. I think that is going to look nice. We'll pour a bit of resin into all the cracks and gaps and give it a final sand up, especially like through all this bit. We don't want water getting in there and soaking in and ruining that beautiful bit of timber. I'm pretty happy with the shape of that actually. It's not quite that. I've gone a bit higher, but I like it. All right, let's chop the top off the other one. And couple of those with the bow split through the middle. It's gonna be looking good. I might just shave a little bit more off that edge, similar to that edge. I'm happy with that. Alright, hey Jerry, any more? Yeah. You need to cut down to about that height. Oh, I think that height's fine. Oh, it crosses through there. Don't cut it down to that height. That's what I'm telling myself. It's pretty close. It's pretty good. Let's do it again. You can even see me there. I'm way in front of the... I've got the camera down so low. I should get down like this and go, that's really good. Look at this little detail right here. Anyway, let's do it again to this piece. See if we can get a similar shape. Well, I want to try and get it as close as possible anyway. It's my little shape. happy with how the shape of these are looking. They look pretty even, pretty neat. Once I get a final sand and a little bit of resin fill, coat them up, mount them in, varnish them up. That's gonna look pretty good. All right, excellent. Now, that's cool.